Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I want to talk about the very first steps that I took to build my business. And so if you don't know and you're new here, hi, welcome. So I started She's Making an Impact August of 2017. 2018, we've already surpassed over 1,600 clients, $400,000 in sales. It's like mind-blowing what's possible in this industry, okay? But I want you to, I want to actually share with you kind of the first steps that I took, because this is what I see a lot of people struggling with is, what do I do first? Because there's like a million things that you could do in your business at any given moment. And especially when you're just getting started and you don't have a big team, what should you be focusing on? So the first thing that I did when I was starting out is market research. I talked to my ideal clients to figure out what were they struggling with, what did they want? What did they need? How could I be that person to fill in the gap for them? So I have an entire blog post on how to do market research that I'll put below this video in the description somewhere so you can check it out. But if you just Google Rachel Ngom market research, you're going to find it. That was the very first thing that I did. And I was actually able to get some private clients through doing that market research. Next thing that I did was I built my blog. I made my blog myself. I don't necessarily recommend doing that. You could hire somebody to do it for like $500, $1,000. There's some pretty simple themes that you could use with WordPress. We use Divi theme on our blog. So the next thing I did was I built my blog. It was not perfect. It's still not perfect. I could still make it so much better, but messy action here. That's how you're going to get results. Okay. You have to just keep moving forward, get her done to where it's like, okay, that's decent enough. And then just keep moving forward. So I did my blog and I created a freebie and set up my email funnel. Your main focus in your business needs to be building your email list. You can't rely on Instagram. You can't rely on Facebook. You can't rely on YouTube. Your account could get shut down at any point. The logarithm could switch. Like, you have to build your business on solid ground, which is your blog and your email list. That's what you own. Nobody can take that away from you, okay? So the next thing, create a freebie, and then an email funnel would just be a set of emails that you're going to send to somebody after they subscribe to your freebie. I only had one email when I was first getting started because I had goals. I wanted to keep moving forward. So I just did the first welcome email and then I went back and add more. So messy action, get her done. Next thing that I did, this was in the very beginning of September of 2017, is I pre-sold my course Pin with Purpose. So all I did was I hosted a webinar, pre-sold the course, had about 7 students sign up for it, made a little over $1,000, and I was like, hey, people want it. This is amazing. And then I created the course, delivered the course, and then worked on scaling it and making it better and reaching out to more people. Now we've had hundreds of people go through that course and get insane results. We cover this entire process within the Impact Blogging Academy, like step by step by step by step by step. But just to get started, check out my blog on how to do market research. I've got so many blog posts to help you get started. And if you haven't signed up for my free Pinterest masterclass, go do that. Go to freepinterestclass.com. That's going to teach you how to use Pinterest to get more leads, more sales into your business. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a comment below. Tell me what you're going to do now to move forward in your business. Messy action, just get her done, and I'll see you later.